Hello everyone, today's topic is Oracle CPQ Training. Welcome to GoLogica. Now we discuss Oracle CPQ Training about roadmap, about course, key modules, product configuration, pricing and discounting, quote generation, approval workflows, contract and document management, guided selling, integration module, salaries, roles and responsibilities, training program. Now we are discussing about course. Oracle CPQ means configure, price, quote, is a cloud-based solution designed to optimize and automate the sales process for businesses dealing with complex products or pricing structures. It helps organizations streamline how products are configured, priced, and quoted, reducing errors, speeding up sales cycles, and improving customer experience. Oracle CPQ enables sales teams to easily configure products and services based on customer needs, apply accurate and consistent pricing rules, and generate professional, error-free quotes and proposals. This leads to faster deal closures, improved sales productivity, and increased revenue. The CPQ lifecycle includes essential stages such as product configuration, pricing and discounting, quote creation, approval workflows, and contract generation. With intuitive user interfaces, guided selling, and intelligent rules engines, Oracle CPQ ensures that sales reps select the right products and apply the right pricing every time. Oracle CPQ integrates seamlessly with CRM systems like Oracle CX Sales and Salesforce, as well as ERP solutions like Oracle ERP Cloud. It also connects with other enterprise modules such as finance, procurement, and e-signature platforms, enabling a unified sales and fulfillment process. Whether selling software, hardware, industrial equipment, or professional services, Oracle CPQ helps businesses deliver accurate quotes faster, reduce manual effort, and enhance customer satisfaction. Learning Oracle CPQ equips professionals with essential skills to manage complex sales processes efficiently and support digital transformation in today's competitive market. Next up, you will learn about the core modules of Oracle CPQ. Oracle CPQ includes key modules to streamline the sales process. Product configuration enables accurate and guided product and service selection. Pricing and discounting automates price calculations and enforces discount rules. Quote generation creates professional, error-free quotes and proposals. Approval workflows manage pricing and discount approvals to ensure compliance. Contract and document management handles contract creation, storage, and e-signatures. Guided selling simplifies complex product choices through an easy question-based interface. Lastly, integration connects CPQ with CRM, ERP, finance, and procurement systems for seamless data flow. Let's discuss about product configuration. The Oracle CPQ allows sales teams and customers to build tailored products or service packages by selecting from a range of options. It uses rules-based logic to ensure that choices are valid and compatible, preventing errors like selecting conflicting features or incompatible components. This is especially important for businesses selling complex or highly customizable products, such as technology systems, industrial equipment, or service bundles. The module provides a guided, step-by-step process that simplifies product selection, even for users without deep technical knowledge. This helps sales reps quickly configure accurate product combinations that meet customer requirements. By automating validations and guiding selections, it reduces manual errors, speeds up the sales cycle, and improves order accuracy. Ultimately, the product configuration module enhances the customer experience and increases the likelihood of closing deals faster. Present. Let's explore into pricing and discounting. It automates the process of setting prices and applying discounts to products and services. It helps businesses maintain consistent and accurate pricing by enforcing pricing rules and policies based on factors such as customer segments, volume, product bundles, and special promotions. This module supports complex pricing models, including tiered pricing, volume-based discounts, and customer-specific rates. Sales teams benefit from having real-time access to approved pricing, which reduces the risk of errors and unauthorized discounts. The system can also automate discount approvals through configurable workflows, ensuring that any exceptions follow proper review processes. This maintains profit margins while providing flexibility to respond to customer needs. By simplifying pricing and discount management, the module accelerates the sales cycle, increases pricing accuracy, and helps businesses maximize revenue and profitability. It also improves transparency and control, making it easier for finance teams to monitor pricing strategies. Dive into quote generation. This automates creation of accurate and professional sales quotes and proposals. Once the products are configured and priced, this module compiles all the details, including product specifications, pricing, discounts, terms, and conditions, into a clear and polished document ready to share with customers. It supports multiple formats like PDF and Word and allows companies to apply custom branding and templates to maintain a consistent look and feel. This module also helps reduce errors by ensuring that quotes reflect the latest pricing and configuration rules. Additionally, quote generation streamlines the sales process by speeding up document creation and eliminating manual work, enabling sales teams to respond quickly to customer requests. With built-in version control and integration with approval workflows, it ensures that quotes are always up to date and compliant. Let's understand approval workflows. The process of reviewing and approving important sales activities like pricing, discounts, and quotes. When a sales rep offers a price or discount that exceeds set limits, the workflow automatically routes the request to the right managers or finance teams for approval. This helps companies enforce pricing policies and controls, ensuring that deals are profitable and comply with business rules. By automating approvals, the process becomes faster, reducing delays in closing sales. Approval. Workflows also provide visibility and tracking of approvals, so teams can monitor the status of requests in real time. This improves accountability and ensures that every special pricing or quote is properly authorized before finalizing. Learn about contract and document management. It automates the process of creating, managing, and storing sales-related documents such as contracts, proposals, and agreements. It helps businesses maintain consistency and accuracy by using approved templates and dynamic fields that pull real-time data from quotes and customer information. This module supports version control, allowing teams to track changes and maintain updated records throughout the deal cycle. With integration to e-signature tools like DocuSign, the signing process becomes faster, reducing delays and manual errors. It also ensures that all documents follow legal and company compliance standards. By streamlining document generation and approval, the module improves the efficiency of sales operations. It enables sales teams to send professional, error-free documents quickly, which shortens the sales cycle and enhances the customer experience. In addition, having a centralized repository for all contracts and documents improves accessibility, transparency, and long-term record management. Now we learn about guided selling. It simplifies the sales process by guiding users through a step-by-step question-based flow to identify the right products or services based on customer needs. The guided selling module is especially useful for businesses offering complex or highly configurable solutions, helping sales reps and customers make informed decisions without deep product knowledge. The module uses predefined logic and rules to ask relevant questions and narrow down choices, ensuring that selected products are valid, compatible, and tailored to specific requirements. This reduces the risk of errors and ensures consistent recommendations across the sales team. By automating product selection and providing smart suggestions, it accelerates the sales cycle, improves quote accuracy, and enhances the customer experience. It also supports new sales reps in performing confidently, reducing the need for extensive training. Overall, guided selling brings speed, accuracy, and confidence to every sales interaction. Enhance sales efficiency with integration module. It enables smooth communication between Oracle CPQ and other business systems such as CRM, ERP, and e-signature platforms. The integration module helps keep data consistent across platforms by automatically syncing information like customer details, product catalogs, pricing, and order statuses. This ensures that sales teams always work with real-time, accurate data, reducing manual entry and avoiding errors caused by duplicated or outdated information. It also streamlines key processes, such as sending approved quotes to ERP for order fulfillment or syncing opportunity data from CRM systems into CPQ. By connecting Oracle CPQ to the broader enterprise ecosystem, the integration module improves efficiency, speeds up the sales to delivery cycle, and ensures better collaboration between departments. It helps businesses create a unified end-to-end workflow, delivering faster service, higher accuracy, and a better customer experience, all while reducing complexity and operational silos. Next, we know about the salary, roles, and responsibilities of Oracle CPQ Sales Specialist. Configures products, prices, and generates quotes using Oracle CPQ tools. Typically earns between $60,000 and $100,000 per year. CPQ Administrator manages system setup, user access, and maintenance of Oracle CPQ configurations. Salary ranges from $65,000 to $110,000 per year. CPQ Business Analyst gathers requirements, designs CPQ workflows, and ensures alignment with sales processes. Can expect to earn between $70,000 and $120,000 annually. CPQ Developer customizes and extends Oracle CPQ functionalities through scripting and integrations. Generally makes between $80,000 and $130,000 per year. CPQ Solution Architect designs end-to-end CPQ solutions and integration strategies for complex sales environments. Salary typically ranges from $90,000 to $150,000 per year. CPQ Implementation Consultant leads CPQ implementation projects, including configuration, training, and go-live support. Earns between $85,000 and $140,000 annually. CPQ Project Manager oversees Oracle CPQ project deployments, ensuring timelines, budgets, and objectives are met. Can expect salaries from $90,000 to $160,000 per year. CPQ Product Manager defines product strategy and roadmaps for Oracle CPQ applications within organizations. Salary ranges between $100,000 and $170,000 annually. Enhance your training program. GoLogica Oracle CPQ Training is a comprehensive course designed to help professionals master the sales configuration, pricing, and quoting process using Oracle CPQ tools. This training is ideal for sales representatives, business analysts, administrators, and anyone aiming to build a career in sales automation and configure price quote solutions. The course covers both fundamental and advanced concepts, equipping learners with the skills to streamline sales workflows and improve quoting accuracy. Participants will gain expertise in product configuration, pricing and discounting, quote generation, approval workflows, and contract management. The training also covers integration with CRM and ERP systems, guided selling, and document management to enhance sales efficiency and customer satisfaction. GoLogica offers this training through live instructor-led sessions to ensure an engaging and interactive experience. The course includes practical assignments, real-world projects, and case studies for hands-on learning. Flexible learning options such as self-paced and corporate training are available to fit diverse needs.